If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Dali Dudali. Dali means dal or lentil and Dudali means halwa or pudding in Konkani. This is a sweet recipe which can be made quickly and it is loved by kids. It can also be made as a snack. So to make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of chana dal, 3/4 cup of sugar, around 2 to 3 tablespoon ghee. Firstly, to begin with, add chana dal and water to a pressure cooker and pressure cook them until it's done. Once the chana dal is cooked well, remove the excess water and add sugar into it. Mix everything well, and now using a masher, mash the chana dal until it turns soft. Add ghee to the mixture and mix well. Cook this in low to medium flame until the water evaporates and the dough separates from the kadai. Once your dough is ready, grease a plate with ghee. Transfer the dough into the plate and level it using a spatula. Allow this to cool in room temperature, and once it's cooled, unmold it and cut it in any desired shape. And now the Dali Dudali is ready. I hope you like this video. Do share this with your friends and try this recipe, and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on the screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.